Recently, I opened an online store all for free where I'm going to be selling clothes and other accessories. I don't need to ship anything to anybody. I don't need to take any inventory. Everything is going to be taken care of by the website on my behalf, and I don't need to do anything. The only thing I need to do is just upload my design. So on this video, I'm going to share with you how I was able to create this online store, how I create my designs, and how I upload them on this website. Everything you need to know about this website and the payment modes so that you know ahead of time before creating your own store. So we're going to start off by creating our designs. This is Canva. I have left a link in the description below where you can click and it takes you to free version of Canva so that you can start making your design. You can check it out and use the link below. So now the first thing you need to do is just to get your size. The sizes that are usually recommended are very big sizes, like you already seen here, 4100 by 6000 pixels. So this is going to give you a very large design so that your design can enter and fit in by the time you upload it to the website. So because I already have this here, I'm going to click to this place. Now it's going to open a work area for me and I'm going to start making my design now. So first I'm going to get the background. I like black. I'm going to use black as the background and I'm going to look for elements I'm going to be using to create my design. So this, I recently used it. I'm going to use this. So now it is important to note something about this element because some people may run into problems if they're using the free version of Canva. So let's say you want to get another image apart from this one. You can say dog. Now you have to be careful. These places where you see small crowns are for pro version. So if you're not using pro version, if you use this, there's going to be a little bit of a problem. And most times one of these pro versions may have copyright issues. So it is important you check for copyright. And if you're going to be using the free versions, once you click and you open here, you can click these small three dots and then you check for copyright issues. Now you see all Canva users get this image for free. So if you click here, it's going to give you other things you need to know. So don't resell, redistribute, or take credit for the standalone media. So you use this media safely in Canva design for a wide range of personal and commercial uses. So this one is safe for us to use. So now we're going to add something to make it look different, like make it look original. So we're going to start by changing the color and adding a text to it. So now I'm going to change the color and I'm going to change this to this. Yeah, I think I like this. So we're going to write something because of what we're going to be using it to do. So I'm going to go to test and get the text I'm going to write. So now our image is ready and the next thing to do is to export this image. But I want to note that before you use this image for the website we're going to be using it for, you have to make sure that the image is transparent so that it will fit in any background that is placed on. So now you click share and then download. Now if you're using the pro version, you can easily make the background transparent through this place, but we are not using the paid version, so we are going to have to take this picture to an external application where we can make the background transparent. So you download it here. So now we have our image and the next thing to do is to create our account on the website so that we can start uploading it and open up our store. So to do this, once you get to Google, you type Redbubble. Now you're going to see redbubble.com. Once you click here, you go to where it says sign up. You put your email, your username, and your password. So I already have an account, so I will not have to create a new one. Now you have to note that you are signing up as an artist, so you have to check this and not customer sign up. So you have to be careful about this. So now you just fill up these things and then you sign up. So once you have finished signing up, you're going to see this page where you're going to set up your store and input the necessary information. This is for setting up your shop. That is for your profile, your cover image, and all those. So you see, once you click, it's going to open up to this page where you upload your avatar or any image. Then your cover image should be around 2400 by 600 pixels. Then your profile name, your last name, everything. So this is for the next one. This is where you're going to put your payment details. See your personal data, your email, everything. course, your residential address. You're going to put your postal code, so you must have all those things handy because they are necessary. Then this method, payment method, you have to be careful because once you have already put an information, you cannot really change it. So you have to see through to see which one that works for you. So this is for phone numbers. Depending on your country, you have to choose your phone number. You see that a lot of countries are available here on Redbubble. So you choose the country and make sure the phone number is active so that once they send you a code, you can use it to verify your account. Once you're done, you submit, you sign the agreement, and then you save. Then you see your store is set up. Then you start doing the necessary designs to upload your design. So once you get to your dashboard, you see where it says add design, you click here. So now you see you're going to upload your new work here. You can also copy an existing work in this place. So now what you're going to do is just to click here. Okay, now I have uploaded my design and the background is transparent. So you're seeing how it is looking. So here are the products. You see, you have to preview it and see it's not really looking very nice. But we're going to do the work here so that you get to see how the final look is going to be. So it is advised that you enable all of these items here so that you can see variety of places to make sales from. So let's start off with the editing. So for this one, I'm going to go here and click edit. I'll choose black as the default color. You see the image is coming out properly. I can increase the size if I want. Here I think it's looking nice. And this is it for this one. And then I click apply changes. So you see it has changed. For this one, I'm going to do the same thing. Black, increase the image a bit. See, apply changes. See, it has applied. Then for this one, I'm going to edit. And then I'm going to change the image to black. I'm going to reduce the image. Let's apply changes. And see, it's quite small. I'm going to increase it a little bit. So you see. Now for this ones, you can do something like this. You can reduce it if you want. Change the color here to black and apply change. So for this particular one, there's something I want to do here and I need you to pay attention. I'm going to change this, reduce it to be small. Go here for the pattern. I'm going to say off grid, offset grid. Then I'm going to change this to black and apply. You see how it will look now. It's disabled, so I'm going to enable it here. So you see, it is beginning to make sense. So you're going to be doing this for all of these whole images and items here so that you get the perfect arrangement for your design before you do the other things that are remaining. And of course, you will have to, once you're done, you put in these requirements like the title, the tags. You can use up to 15 tags, like 50 character limit per tag, you know, and then of course the description of your design, you put it here. So before you save this particular design, you have to check the media, if it is design or illustration or painting or digital art, whatever it is, you put it there. And of course, nudity on lettering, adult language, all those things, you have to state if it is in your art or not. So you check here, and of course you agree to Redbubble terms, and then you save your work. So I'm going to show you how the end results will be once I'm done. So now we are done, and this is how the final look is. So you see how I edited everything. This is for the phone case, this is for the sticker, everything. This is for duvet, everything is here. So I disabled others, the ones I felt I don't really want to be, and then I enabled some too. So here is hardcover journals, the clock. Everything is looking quite nice now compared to before. So this is the leggings, the socks, the school backpacks. Um, you see, everything is here. So once that is done, you just click save. Save. So it's looking quite nice. I'm going to show you how it's going to look once you click save. Then you see everything. So here is the image, and here is the image on mockups. It's looking nice. You can try to check out my store, Miss Lino, when you go to Redbubble. So you see the pricing, everything. It's here. I think I like what I'm saying. It's looking quite nice. This is for the stickers. So you see pricings, everything. I love this phone case. You've seen how everything is. It's looking quite nice, and you can use it as an inspiration to start up your own. However, this may sound really too good and too nice. There are also some other disadvantages that comes with using this site to open up your store. But before I share this disadvantage, kindly like this video and hit the subscribe button if you want to learn other ways to make money online. Now, it is important to let you know that this website is available in almost all the countries of the world, and they don't really ask for anything in terms of money before you list your item on their website. It's completely for free. However, you get to pay them some percentage depending on the number of sales and the amount of sales you have made on the website, and you don't really have to be under pressure with your listing and all of that. So it also has its other sides, that the disadvantage also of using this website. But however, this website is generally quite cool to be used to list your items for sale. Now, talking about the disadvantage, you know that it is all for free and they have tons of items to sell to people, and you don't really have much to lose. Yours is just to upload designs and let people come and see and buy. However, you can go to the extent of marketing it, because the site will not market your store for you, so you can market it on any platform you may be having. And because it's free, people tend to have lots of store on this website. Like, the competition is quite very high, so you have to make sure that the ads you're putting out there is it's appealing to people and they would love to buy from you. Another thing is, you have to make sure your pricing are not really too high that people might not really want to buy, because some people desperate to make sales will have to reduce the prices of their items, and then once people see this and they compare it, they may go for people with lower prices. So some of these things are the disadvantage that actually comes with this website. Another thing is, you may have to pay some money. It's not completely free, because you have to pay some money, but it happens whenever you make sales, you have to remit some percentage of the money to the website. In fact, they take it off front before even paying you your own, and most times they pay you at the 15th of every month, and you have to reach a particular threshold before you be able to take your money. So, but generally, I mean, it's a passive way of making money, and you don't really have anything much to lose. I hope this video inspires you. If you're looking for products to promote, you might want to check out this video. Or if you're looking for places to look for money financially, if you don't have any hope anymore, you might want to check out this video and see if the content in the video helps you out and works for you. Please don't fail to like and subscribe to my channel, and I'll see you in the next one.